Good day, ma'am and sir. First of all, I would like to say thank you that you give me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Lizel Bakiran Bakani, 45 years of age. I am married and have 3 children. One girl is at 24 years old and 2 boys is 20 years old and 13 years old. My personal background is I am a college graduate taking up a computer secretarial course and undergraduate a vocational course as a caregiver. I have been working in Hong Kong in 2 years. My duties and responsibilities is on how to take care young kids and the safety nets of the young children and do household chores, keep the house clean and tidy, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, washing dishes, and cooking as well. Um, I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give a better future of my family. And aside from that, Hong Kong is a safety net country for the domestic helper. My personal character is I am hardworking, honest, understanding, independent, and patient. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, if you choose me as your helper, I will do my best to provide you my service. Thank you.